Watch. Yeah? Mmm. Was that good? Yeah. Nom, nom, nom. You want to feed yourself some? Huh? Want to feed yourself some? There's your spoon. No, come on. There you go. Mmm. Mmm. Is that good? Would you like another bite? Huh? Would you like another bite? Say yes, please. Yes, please. Do you want some? This is corn. It's not peas. Would you like some? Ow. I'm not the biggest fan of corn, Granny. Okay, try one more. Would you like another bite? Would you like, oh boy, you're making a mess. Would you like a bite? Mmm. Mmm. How about a sip of juice to wash it all down? Yes? You like a sip of juice? Mmm. Hey, oh, that's good stuff. That's a little apple juice, Granny. That's my favorite. There you go. You can have a little more. Mmm. Okay. One more bite? Are you all done? One more bite? One more bite? Ready? 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 Mm. Okay, Granny, and here's the best part. Now we have to clean up his face. He really likes it. Are you ready? What time is it? Is it time for a clean face? Oh, is it time? Is it time for a clean face? Ready? 1,